In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Hindi digits and text engine in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to use this video for that reference. Let us see. First, I'm going to add my paragraphic text. Here you can see I have two different text format what we have used in India. We have a Hindi text and we have Tamil. Now I come to this area. I'm going to use my text tool. So I choose this type tool and here I'm going to click and drag to create a paragraph text. Now I want to copy and paste my text. So I come to this my text content. I copy here and I'm going to paste it here. In the same way, I'm going to create one more paragraph on this side. And here I'm going to paste my another content. So when I copy and paste here, I choose my selection tool. I can able to see I have a lot of issues with those font styles. You can see that we don't have any proper order for those text. It's because the basic text engine in this Adobe Premiere Pro is set up with the English language and other things. Now I just want to turn that into that Asian language setting. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the particular paragraphic text. Yes, I was selecting both paragraphic text. Now I come to my essential graphics panel. In this essential graphics panel, I come to this, I choose anyone. Okay, I'm going to choose my Hindi. And here I'm going to choose this option, which is style. In style, at the bottom, you can see we have the text. In text, we have this option, which is text properties. So I choose this option, which is text properties. It shows you two options here. We have text engine and text styling. You can see by default we have this option, which is European and East Asian. So this is the option we have by default. But what we need is we have to choose this option, which is South Asian and Middle Eastern. So I choose this. When I choose this and I choose this OK, you can able to see I got a lot of changes on my text in this particular paragraph. So if you want the proper order that letters we have using the Unicode text here. So if you want that in a proper order, you can use that option. And now again I come to the same option. If you still want the better that text, if you have errors, you can just enable this option, which is Hindi digit. So with the help of this Hindi digit, you can able to get all those things. I'm going to show you now. Now we don't have any change until I choose OK. And after choose that OK, you can able to see I got a lot of change. So if that is right, you can leave that. Otherwise, you can change it. And now if you feel any problem with that, you can simply disable that option, Hindi digits. So you will get the normal values there. So if you want, you can enable those options. Otherwise, you don't want. Now I choose this text. Here also, I'm going to choose the same values. So I choose this option, text properties. I choose the text is into South Asian and Middle Eastern, and I choose OK. So now you can able to see I have the better readability, the better text here, the right text what I have used in Unicode here. And when it requires, I can use this option, which is Hindi digits. So when I choose Hindi digits, you can able to see I got the converted that all those the numbers into the Hindi digits. Now I just want to keep that into numbers. I don't want Hindi digits. I choose OK. So you got your numbers back. In the same way also here also you can see that I choose my settings. I choose Hindi digit. So that try to convert that into Hindi digit. But now I'm going to choose this Hindi digit into none. And I choose OK. So if you using any Indian language, either Hindi, Marathi, or Telugu, Tamil, or Kannada, Malayalam. So what you can do is you copy the Unicode font there, the text there. You don't want to copy the font. You can copy and paste the text there, and you have to choose the particular paragraph, and you have to change the text engine option into South Asian and Middle Eastern. So that is the only thing you have to do, and you will get your readable text as we use in real life. So this is how we use this option, text engine option in this place, and we use text styling option, Hindi Digit and ligatures using this Adobe Premiere Pro.